Hi, welcome back for some more beginner-friendly tutorials. This time we're going to be doing a style on a bald head. Yes, I cut all my locks off and I went bald and I couldn't be more excited. I feel so free. Anyways, back to the head wrap tutorial. You're going to take it and put it down the middle of your head. One side is longer than the other. You're going to take it and tie it down the center. And you're going to do a plait or a twist, whichever one you decide to call it. Once you reach the end of the shorter one, you're going to take it and fold it into the longer side of the head wrap. Twist going in the same direction as your plait. You're going to take it and then wrap it around your head and tuck. I am using a stretch wrap, which makes it really easy to style and is not any tension on your head that you can't control with the tying and the twisting that you do with the head wrap. There's your style. Super easy, super fun. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials from Taji Wraps. Thank you for watching.